start with her head. Right about here. That's a good line for her forehead, isn't it? And bring it on down like this. There's her cheek, and there's her chin, and we'll come up like that. Very nice, everyone. Now what we can do is we'll give her an ear right about there. Just like that. This is looking good. And now what we can do is give her some hair. So let's give her some lovely hair coming through like this. Because Ariel's got lovely hair. Just a little wave like that. And then we can bring it down like this too. That looks good. Now let's give Ariel a nose. Right about there. Just like that. Very nice. Little peaky nose like that. And a nice smile. She's got a lovely smile, doesn't she? We'll just do that. And then come down like that. Just a nice V like that. Looking good. And we'll give her some teeth. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Now we can give her some lips. A little bit of lip like that. And a little bit of a lip on the bottom there like that. That's looking good, everyone. Now let's give Ariel some eyes. We could continue her nose here like this. Very good. And then we just bring the little circle down like that. And then over here we kind of do the same thing. Eye down like this and like that. Looking nice. And now we can put her eyeballs in like this and that. And we'll give her a pupil like this. Looking good. There we go. Now let's finish her hair off. It's a nice wavy hair she's got, like she's in the sea. All around like this. Have fun with it. Come around and give her a lot of wavy hair like that. This is looking nice. Bring it up like this. Down a bit. Give it some zigzaggy bits all over the place like that. That looks nice. That's a lot of fun too, isn't it? Maybe a bit here by her ear. Very nice. Let's not forget her eyebrows. Looking good, everybody. Now let's give her a bit of a neck here. Right about there. And another down there like that. And now you can draw her shoulders here, just like this. And her arm coming down like that. And there's her forearm. And we'll give her hand right about here. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers and a thumb. Lovely. There we go. That looks nice. Bring her forearm back up like this. And there's her arm like that. Looking good, everybody. Now we can bring our other shoulder over here like this. And we'll just bring it down like that. Now Ariel likes to wear seashells. So let's give her some seashells here. 1, 2, 3 bits like that. 1, 2, and 3 like that. Looking nice, everybody. We can bring her chest down like this to her tummy. Looking good. And then her waist here. Right like that. This is looking good, everybody. Give her a bit of a chest here and some shoulder blades. Very nice. Now for the fishy bits right about here. Her waist where the tail starts like this. Draw that like that. Looking good. Don't forget her belly button. That's lovely. And now what we can do is bring a fish tail like this. Big old circly bit like that. Lots of wavy bits. That's fun. And we'll bring it down like this. Right like that. Very nice. To a point right about there. And then we can draw the fins. That would be her feet probably. Like that. And then over here like this. Like that. That's nice. Give it some texture like this. Just like that. Very nice. Same over here on this side. Just like that. Very nice. This is looking nice. Just put a little arm bit down here like that to show she's got another arm on that side. Continuing her shoulder like that. And then we can finish it off with some more wavy hair right about here. That's nice. And we can finish this off here like this. Right about there. Lovely, everybody. One more piece of texture, whoosh, and we're good. Let's get to the color. Ariel has light skin color, light blue eyes, purple shells, red lips and hair, a green tail, and light green fins and middle bits. Thanks, everyone.